Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Klaiyi Hair for sponsoring this video. Actually, I went in the box already and I took the wig out the bag. It came in a bag. We have clips, a edge band, nails, wig cap. Look at that. It's a 7x5 closure wig as a bang. How cool is that? It's pre-bleached, pre-cut, and it's pre-everything. We have a comb at the back, which I absolutely love, and there is a adjustable band, of course. But let's talk about the curls. You see those bouncy curls? How they look? Alright guys, welcome back. Let's do this install, and of course I will make sure my hair is secure. Alright guys, this is the wig. Wow. Wow. Alright guys, so I am going to, it's a glueless wig. I'm thinking I just try to fit it on. We're gonna take it back off and add some makeup to it, but I'm wondering if I should. I don't draw the string as yet, you know, and it's perfect. It's not too big. We're gonna go draw the string, but not right now, because I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna add makeup to it. So let's do that and I'll be back. Let's get to work, which means I'm going to first go in the top of the wig and flat out that part. I'm definitely gonna add some curls to it.
I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you're the perfect one. And when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy. A trophy. I want me a trophy.
Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna do my makeup because it's a bang wig. So I'm gonna do my makeup and come back and curl the wig. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I curled the wig. I don't know how to feel right now, but I curled the wig. I'm gonna definitely show you guys two styles. The first one will be straight down, so I am gonna go in and leave the front like this and kind of wait until this side is dry, because there's still heat in this side, but the hair curled beautifully. Like, look at that. And I did not leave the one in it for too long. But we're gonna fix up the bang area and then we're gonna style it. What is that? Okay guys, so this is the first style. Listen, the curls, perfect. So I'm gonna show you guys, and then I'm gonna do an updo with the bang. The most important thing about this is it is a 7x5 closure wig, and also the curls do last. I feel like I have to curl right here because this part don't want to behave. So let's do that. And I use a curling one. You can use whatever curler you have. The hair itself is beautiful, so the curls will last. So this is how it looks. Then we are gonna do a updo hairstyle. So look at those curls.
Keep hugging and vibing, only thing inside my mind is I want you, yes I do. If there's anything you suggest, I do. Now we all in the crib on my sofa. I'm so glad you came over. I wanna tell you come closer, but I don't know if you feel.
All right guys, so we did a updo, and very easy. Like the bang with the updo, yeah girl, I like it. Call me Ching Chong Chang, okay? But anyway, it's very easy. It's a 7x5 closure wig. So, and I believe a bang will fit everybody's face. Suit your face, whether you want to put it in a ponytail, you want to do an updo. Very easy. I did put in a rubber band, I believe, and then I use a grab clip. So you can do whatever you want, but I like this that's going on right here with the bang. Very easy, and it is glueless, so you can take the wig off, style it in the morning. Obviously the curls are gonna last, so I love it. So thank you to Klaiyi here once more for sponsoring this video. You guys can check the description, the link will be there to the direct wig, and you can check out their website as well if you wanna, you know, get something else. It's super versatile. It is the springtime, it's almost summer. It's the perfect wig, okay? So see you guys again in another one.
I look so deep in your eyes.